How to fix invalid destination address in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, turn on or turn off flight mode. Click on connection. Here you will see flight mode. And if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button. And if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on, turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, clear messages app cache. Click on settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, click on three lines, more option, show system apps, turn on this button, click on OK, again search messages, click on messages, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache messages app, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache messages app, clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings. Click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix invalid destination address in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.